Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Mind Your Exam. In this video we will learn how to generate a single random number, and then we will see towards the end of the video how to generate multiple random numbers. Now for random number generation, Excel provides a built-in function named as RAND, random, and when you type equal to RAND and type in the starting and the closing round brackets and press enter, Excel will give you a single random number. Now, if you want to generate another random number, you can again type in this function and start and close the round brackets and press enter. Now, you must have noticed that as soon as I created a second random number in this cell, the value of the random number in this cell also changed. Now, if you have to generate multiple random numbers, what you have to do, you once calculate a single random number, then you bring your cursor to the right bottom side of the cell where you have calculated the first random number. You hold down this small square at the right bottom end of this cell and drag down to the range of cells where you want to generate your random numbers. So if I want to generate 5 random numbers, I clicked on one cell and I brought my cursor to the right bottom and placed it on the fill handle, which is the little square at the right bottom side of the cell, and I pressed the mouse and dragged it down using the left button of the mouse, and as you can see, multiple random numbers have been generated. And every time you generate a random number, all the random numbers that were previously generated will be changed, but again they will be randomly changed. So this is all about random number generation. Now keep in mind, if you use the RAND function, it will generate random numbers in any range. But if you want to generate a random number between a specific range, there is another function for it that I'll discuss in the next video. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned till we meet in the next video. Mind your exam.